Welcome to day 10. In today's video, we shall talk about the words like achama, achama. Achama is money that is usually given during the dowry celebration to appreciate the bride delegation, and it's given to the delegation and not the mother and the father. Achama. So it's meant to be divided and eaten by the delegation. Achama. The second word, achama, achama. Anything that is edible, it could be a fruit or a vegetable, is called something that is achama. Achama is the word, an adjective, edible. Achany, achany, achany. Foot and mouth disease which affects both the domestic animals like donkeys, sheep, goat, and cattle. Achaye, achaye. Achaye is disregard or impudence. In kod achaye, nikech pod in nyathi. In kod achaye, nikech pod in nyathi. So if you have disregard, that's what you say. And the last word for the day is achecha. Achecha. Achecha, if you do something and it's sideways, if you're looking at it sideways, you say achecha. Obet achecha. Obet achecha. It's sideways. And that's it for the day.